Hello, and thank you for joining me on another quick recipe. This one is Kung Pao chicken. I got this recipe from Pinterest. Sorry, I forgot who made it. But anyway, you gotta start off with a good sauce, I believe, for this recipe. So salt, pepper. Then you're gonna add some red chili flakes. Once again, I'm sorry, I did not measure. I kind of just dabbed. Then you are gonna grate some fresh ginger into this. And next you are going to add some honey. So mine was all coagulated. I don't know why, it was so annoying. But anyway, so just melting it before. Then you're gonna add some hoisin sauce. And next we're gonna add some soy sauce. I'm using this organic one. They do make gluten-free ones, which I didn't know until recently. And now we're gonna add some chopped up or minced garlic. I think I used about 2 or 3 cloves here. And then we are gonna stir it all up. So if your honey is not as coagulated as mine and is softer, this will probably be a little bit of an easier process to do, but this totally makes the meal. Anyway, throw your chicken in. And then you are going to add a little bit of salt and pepper on top of it. And of course, we are using the crock pot yet again. I don't know why I put the lid on because I totally need to put the sauce on. So anyway, that little mixture that we just did, I'm gonna go ahead and spread it evenly all over the chicken. And I did make a second batch to add a little bit later. So the next part of the recipe actually includes you are going to chop up your vegetables. So you're going to use a green zucchini. Oh my god, you guys, look how horrible I cut that down the middle. That was hilarious to me when I was editing this video. Anyway, you're gonna chop up some zucchini. I just used one. And then you're gonna chop up 1 red pepper. And then you're gonna chop up some cashews, or you can leave them whole. I think I should have just left them whole. But anyway, I'm putting this in a bowl because you're actually going to not put this in until 30 minutes before the chicken is done. And I cooked the chicken for 4 hours in the crock pot before adding, or 4 hours total. So half an hour before it was done. So at 3.5 hours, you are going to add the veggies and the cashews in, and then I just added the second mixture. I'm sorry I did not get a video of me eating it, but it was totally amazing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.